Good evening, welcome to
MathForKids77.
MathForKids77. Let me sit on my little ball here. Okay. If you consider all of the integers from 1 to 100, which one, when squared, is closest to 2,400? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, what are we looking at?
Looking at all the integers from 1 to 100, and we need to find which one, when squared, is closest to 2,400.
Okay.
Well, we know that 50 squared is 2,500,
Okay, back a little.
and it's too big.
Okay. Alright, that's pretty close to 2,400, but maybe there's one closer. You want which?
Let's try 45 squared.
Okay. Well, that's not a bad idea, but this is really close.
Let's try 49.
49 might be an interesting one. Now, if this was like 3,000 or something, and you needed to go down
A
lot, 45 would be a good one. But this is actually pretty close. So why don't you try 49 squared? So let me erase. Here, oh, whoa, let's erase 50 squared. And let's write 49 squared in the middle of the board. 49 times 49. How are we going to do that?
Well, this is 1,600.
Okay, so 40 times 40 is 1,600.
Plus I have to do 40 times 9, which is 360.
40 times 9, which is 360. What's that?
And then, well, this is 1960.
Okay, and this just comes from this 40 here, right?
Yeah.
40 times 40, which is 1,600, and 40 times 9.
Now I have to do 9 times 40 again.
Okay, 9 times 40 is
360.
360.
Plus 9 times 9, which is 81.
Okay. 81. Okay, now let me just double check that you haven't gone too far down. Ooh, good thing I checked. All right, go ahead.
Okay. So now when we add these together, we get 1,000. 1,200.
Okay.
120 is 200. Plus 1. Now this is really close.
2,401.
Let's just bring that up here.
Okay, so 49 times 49 is 2,401. Okay, back up a little bit.
Is squared.
Okay. So do you think there's going to be another number that's closer to 2,400 than that?
No.
Why not?
Because this is only 1 away.
It's only one away. And when we went from 50 to 49, 50 squared was 2,500. When we went from 50 to 49, we went down about 100, right?
Yeah.
So when we go from 49 to 48, we should also go down about 100. We don't know for sure.
Yeah.
But that means we suspect that 48 times 48 is going to be pretty close to 2,300.
Yeah.
So pretty far away from 2,400. So what is the answer to the question?
It's which one? 49.
49 is the answer to the question. Awesome job. Okay. All right, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, good job so far. Okay, here's the next problem. The sum of the ages of Alice and Betty is
14.
14. The sum of the ages of Betty and Cindy is 22. The sum of the ages of Alice and Cindy is 16. Who is oldest, and how old is she? What do you think about this problem?
Well, we can call Alice, Betty, and Cindy A, B, and C.
Okay, that's handy.
So, our equations, this says A plus B equals 14.
Okay.
B plus C equals 22.
Okay.
A plus C. Equals 16.
Okay. Well, that's handy to know. What
Now
should we do next?
Now we can add these together.
Okay. What do we get when we add these together? Here, step over there.
2A
2A
plus 2B
plus 2B
plus 2C
plus 2C.
equals, well, it's 52.
Okay.
Is that right?
I don't know.
Well, 26 is 30 plus 22. That's 52.
Okay, great. So 2a plus 2b plus 2c equals 52.
Now divide the whole equation by 2. A plus B plus C equals is 26.
Okay, great. So we know that a plus b plus c equals 26. Okay, awesome.
But it says that b plus c equals 22.
Okay.
So this says that a equals 4.
Okay, so a equals 4. Okay, because we know that b plus c equals 22, and a plus b plus c is 26, that means a has to equal 4. Okay, so that's great. So a equals 4.
Now we do a different equation. We know that a plus b is 14.
Okay,
So c equals 12.
so c equals 12. Okay, that's great.
Now a plus c equals 16. So c equals 10.
C equals 10?
Well, b equals 10.
B equals 10. Okay. So we get those as our ages. Now, you should always go back and just double check and make sure they satisfy the original equations. Is a plus b 14?
Yes.
B plus c is 22?
Yes.
A plus c is 16?
Yep.
Okay, that's great. So, what is the answer to the question?
It says who is the oldest? C. C is the oldest. And C is 12.
Okay. So Cindy is C. Have you did meet my friend Cindy, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, Cindy.
I've done problems like this before.
Yeah. That's a good job. High five. Good job tonight. I know you're a little tired. Good job, sweetie.